Why is the election in the middle of winter? Premier Barbarian. Why?
Yes, why would the Premier call an election in the middle of winter? He has a majority government. He could have waited till summer or spring when the weather's nicer. My belief is in winter it's harder for candidates to campaign and less people vote. I specifically emailed Premier what's-his-name asking if he could do anything to increase the voter turnout in civic elections back before the Edmonton civic election started, and his response here dated September or something 2007 shows with all his billions in the government coffers, Premier Barbarian doesn't want to do anything to encourage people to vote. That is sad. A premier that doesn't want people to get out and vote. Make sure you get out and vote, Alberta. Vote for anybody but that barbarian party.
Why is the election in the middle of winter? Premier Barbarian. Why?